Okay, so today we're going to have a look at learner assignment. As you can see here, we've got a pretty clean account. We've just got one course created. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to Learners tab, and here we have the option to import via CSV. So you can just put in all the details you want. Pro users get team and location as additional fields, and Teams users get custom fields. But you two options: either import your CSV or you can just add them manually. So we're going to call this test 2. I'm going to call it test 2 at test2.com, and we've got some teams set up, but if we wanted to add another team, we can go ahead and do that. Again, we've got a location set up, so we'll make this all France, and then we can just add to France. So once we've created our learner, we can see our learner appear here. You have two options now. You can assign a course direct from here, so you can do any searches you want, or you can organize alphabetically or by last edited. We've only got one course here, so we're going to click that, and you can assign by team or location or individual, so we just can do an individual in this case. And then next up, we compose our message. So we can set a relative due date, so this is from assignment, or we can turn that off. We can set automated reminders after a week on the due date, overdue, or again, we can turn those off. And then if we scroll down, we can see the kind of pre-created subject and email that we've got here, with some fields included in it. Okay, so let's go to the first name, talk about the due date, provide the specific link. If you want to write over the top of this and make a custom email, of course you can, and then all you need to do is just save that as a template, and you'll see that appear in the drop down. You can do the same thing for the latter emails as well, so these are all your reminders. Once you're happy with that, just click send assignment, and that will send the assignment for you. Okay, so next up we're going to have a look at analytics, but before we do that, just to say the other way that you can assign courses is if you just go to the course itself, click on share and assign to learners, and then here you have the controls to send again. Okay, so next up, analytics. Okay, so here we are in analytics, and obviously this account's got a bit more information in it. So you'll find the analytics in the analytics tab, and you can do your analytics by course if you want to. So you can jump into a specific course. You can do it by learner, by team, or location. Okay, any one of those you can drill into and get more information relating to courses. Okay, so we're just going to take a look at an individual now. So let's go back to the analytics area, and let's click on a learner, and we're going to go to this top one here. So here we can see the details of that learner. We can see all the courses that they've been assigned and what they've been completing. And if we go into a particular course, you'll see that there's a view button. Here you can see specifically how they performed. So you can see which questions they've answered, how they've answered them, whether they got that correct or incorrect, and indeed how long they took. So the analytics are pretty granular. They'll give you team reporting, location reporting, individual reporting, and take you all the way down to question results.